Hello friends, today we will study problem related to 3D transformation. So here is the first problem. Consider a region defined by position vector. So the region has been given by position vector and that region initial position has been given, that is P. The matrix has been given relative to global XYZ axis system. So this position vector is relative to global XYZ axis system and it is to be rotated by 30 degree about x axis. So the position vector which is relative to global axis and that position vector is to be rotated by 30 degree about x axis, and that position vector is passing through point 1.5 1.5 1.5. So that position vector is passing through some point. So the point is given as 1.5 1.5 1.5 and we have to calculate or we have to find the final position of the region. So initial position of the region has been given and we have to calculate final position of the region. So now we will draw the figure. Since it is a 3D axis system, so this is x axis, this is y1 and this is z axis. So this is that position vector whose coordinate is 1.5 1.5 1.5. This is a 3D point. So it is related to global axis x, y, z. So this point is to be rotated about this x axis by 30 degree. So since we know rotation is to be done with respect to origin, so unless and until the point is on origin or point is to be brought on the origin, we can't perform rotation transformation. So for that we have to bring this point to origin. So for that we will do translation transformation. So the first transformation we will do here is translation. Translation, where I will translate point 1.5 1.5 1.5 to origin. So I will write the matrices for translation for 3D. It is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 tx ty tz 1. So this is the standard matrices for translation in 3D. So here I will require the value of tx, ty and tz. So for that we will write down the values for tx, ty and tz. So from the problem, for bringing this point to this origin, we are doing translation. So for bringing this point till this origin, we have to travel along x direction, along y direction and along z direction, means in this direction and along this direction. Since in all direction we are moving in negative direction, so I will take it as minus. So in all direction the units which is to be travelled, it is 1.5 along x, along y and along z direction. So since we are moving in negative direction, so we will take as minus 1.5 in each every. So it is minus 1.5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5. So now we will replace the value of tx, ty, tz. So the value of tx is minus 1.5 the value of ty is minus 1.5, the value of tz is also minus 1.5. So now we successfully translated that point to origin. So now we can easily perform rotation, that is rotation transformation we can easily perform because the point is brought to the origin. Now second transformation we are doing here is rotation about x-axis. So second rotation about x-axis, the angle is 30 degree, positive 30 degree. Okay. So second transformation, that is the transformation where we have to do is rotation about x-axis, that is positive 30 degree. So now we will write down the matrices for rotation, that is standard matrices for rotation about x-axis, which is 1 0 0 0 0 cos theta sin theta 0 0 minus sin theta cos theta 0 0 0 0 1. So now we know the value of theta as 30 degree. So I will replace the value of theta as 30 degree. Then the matrices will become 1 0 0 0 0 cos 30 is 0.866, sin 30 is 0.5. So minus 0.5, 0.866, 0 0 0 0 1. So we successfully rotated that point about x-axis. So the point was originally, it was away from the origin. For performing rotation we brought that point to origin, that is we translated that point to origin so that we can perform rotation. So now since rotation transformation has been performed, now we will place that point back to its original position. So now we will do back translation because earlier point was away from origin, so we will place it back to its original position. So third transformation here is again translation, but here we are doing back translating. So I am mentioning here back translating point 1.5 comma 1.5 comma 1.5 to its original position. So in this case you have to write just opposite to the translation which we have done earlier. So we will require the value of tx, ty and tz. While bringing this point to origin, we were moving in negative direction, and now the point has been attained in this original position, that is origin position. Now we will place it back to its original position. So we have to move in this direction, that is in rightward direction. So for rightward direction the sign convention is positive, so it will become positive 1.5, positive 1.5, positive 1.5. So now translation matrix will become 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1.5 1.5 1.5 1. So this is the translation, that is back translation. So we successfully rotated this point about this x-axis. So now we successfully rotated this point about this x-axis. So while performing this rotation we have done series of transformation. So we will find the resultant transformation, that is resultant transformation, that is total transformation, resultant transformation, which is also known as total transformation, which is represented by TR. So first we have done translation, then we have rotated about x-axis, then we have done back translation. So now I will write down the matrices for translation, which is 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 minus 1.5 minus 1.5 minus 1.5 1, and the matrices for rotation is 1 0 0 0 0.866 0.5 0 0 minus 0.5 0.866 0 0 0 0 1, and last one is back translation. Matrices for back translation is 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1 0 1.5 1.5 1.5 1. So now for finding out the resultant transformation, that is total transformation, I will multiply all these matrices. So the TR I will get as 1 0 0 0 0.86 0.5 0 0 minus 0.5 0.86 0 0.951 minus 0.55 1. So this is the resultant transformation which we got after multiplying all the series of transformation matrices. Now in this problem we have to calculate the final position of the region. Means for final position of the region we will require the initial position of the region. So this is the initial position of the region. This is the initial position of region. So by multiplying this initial position by TR we will get final position of the region. So now we will calculate the final position of the region. So we know that final position is equal to initial position into TR, that is series of transformation. So the initial position of the region is 1 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 2 1 1 2 2 1. So this is initial position of the region. Now we will multiply this initial position with the TR, then I will get final position, that is final position of a region. So TR is 1 0 0 0 0.86 0.5 0 0 minus 0.5 0.86 0 0.951 minus 0.55 1. So now I will multiply both the matrices, then I will get final position of a region. So I will multiply this matrices. So I will get final position as 1.81 2.221 2.81 1.67 1 2 1.67 2.17 1 1 1.67 2.17 1. So this is the final position of region. So this is solution for the problem. Thank you.